Good evening. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thanks for joining me tonight. I don't usually film at night, but I kind of felt crappy all day, and now I'm still feeling crappy, but I feel like doing something creative. So I started this collage, and then I thought I should film this because it's looking pretty nice. I like how it's looking. So I have this paper as my background, and then I took this stamp and I just stamped all over it with some sepia Ranger archival ink. And so that was my first step. And then I have these printouts of my ancestors' photos, which I do have available on my Ko-fi shop if you're interested. This is my father's, the little guy, and that's his brother, my uncle. And I thought it might be cool to just put their faces in one of these little squares. And so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to just arrange it like that, like I had it, and put some kind of words there. So that's what I'm doing. And I've got to cut out, whoops, this picture here a little bit. Yep, my father's brother was 15 years older than him, with nobody in between. Well, there was one daughter in between, but she passed away at birth. But even she was like 12 years older than my dad. And so I think I'm going to put them in maybe the top. I think I'm going to have to put them in the top. And I think this is going to be the top. Shall that be the top? Yeah. Let's try. I don't know if I can get it on the inside. What do you think? I think I can get it on the inside a little bit. These are just the scraps of paper that I cut squares out of for my inchies collages. And I thought they looked cool, so I kept them. I think this might be the first time I've used it. Used one of them. Alright, let's go back. Do that again. A little glue. And then we put this on like so. Whoops, get my dad in there. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to cut this again. I think that's cute. A little more, a little strip there. I'll put some more ink on that. And these two are obviously the first things I've got to put down. This is a sticker, so that's not difficult. Of course, getting it off, the paper off, might be difficult. If I wasn't on camera, I'd get that right off, you know it. Alright, I'm going to have to do that off camera. Alright, so I got that sticker off. I'm going to do that like that. And now I'm going to just put a glue stick on the whole thing. And it was kind of like this. I think that's how we had it. I feel like I need a little more glue up there. And this is also a sticker. So let's get this out of the way. Let's see if I can get this one off right away or not. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe. And feeling good. I've had a headache. I don't know if I said I felt crappy, but mostly had a headache. Okay, this is going to kind of go like this. And now I'm going to look for some words. Alright, so I found this "I'm happiest when I'm with you" little saying, which I thought that would be cute because, you know, it's little brother with big brother, and my father was probably thrilled to get the attention of his older brother because by the time my father was that age, his brother was an adult, so he probably didn't get to spend that much time with his big brother. So I am going to actually cut this in half. I'm happiest when I'm with you. Let's put that up here. And then this one. Of course, both of them are gone. Have been for a long time. I'm 66 myself, so you can imagine. There we go. I think it's so cute. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out my Ko-fi page if you want to check out my, I got quite a few family heirloom printables of different vintage ephemeras, antique ephemeras too, actually. So thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.